Saving videos other people have sent you on Messenger is very simple, though it differs slightly depending exactly on what platform you're doing it on, either on Android, iOS, or if you're just doing it via Facebook on your browser of choice. So starting off, let's go over exactly how to do it if you're using the Messenger app on any Android phone. So here's exactly how you do it. Once you are in Messenger and in the message tab with the person who sent you the video on a save, simply long press on that video. Then some options will appear at the bottom of the screen, which will include save video, so just tap on that and the download process will begin. However, there's also another way of doing it. If you simply start watching the video, a download button will also appear in the bottom right, which you can press as well. So that's how you do it over on Android. On iOS, the process is pretty much the same, but with the UI looking slightly differently. So once again, you want to head into the conversation you're having with someone and long press on that video. Once again, a bunch of options will appear, but this time in a floating window rather than at the bottom of the screen. So once again, just tap on save. And like before, you can also start playing the video and the download button will appear that you can then use to download the video. But okay, that's how you do it on mobile. How about if you want to download it from, say, just Facebook itself, if you're doing it on, I don't know, your desktop or laptop instead? Well, here's how you do it. Once you have opened up the conversation, simply click on the video to begin watching it, and then at the top you see a download button to the right hand side of the player. Now, Messenger also has an option to automatically save any photos that you receive, also anything you edit and then send over, so it's going to save locally to your device. If you want to turn this on or off, here's exactly how to do it. On either Android or iOS, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner and then go on to the settings cogwheel. In the menu that pops up, you find a photos and media section. There you'll find a save photos and videos option, which can either toggle on or off. So when it's on, any media from Messenger will be automatically saved to your device, or if it's off, they will just have to be downloaded manually. So I hope you found this video on how to exactly download videos on Messenger helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to How To Authority for more like this in the future.